What is the RDA for protein intake?
It's a joke. It's comical. And it's stubborn. It just hasn't moved because no one pays attention to it anymore. No one does. I mean, not a single protein scientist. But the RDA just left over, just hangs around, is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight, which would be about 0.36 grams per pound of body weight. And by the way, remember, I want to remind everybody what RDA stands for, recommended dietary allowances, but stay with me here. What it means is RDA is not meant to be optimal or final. It just happens to be, it would help, it's designed to prevent a deficiency. So what they're saying there, that a human being that was sedentary, young enough till they had strong enough hormones, so it can't be an older person, even though they never changed it for older people. You're getting all the right recommendations now, but they never changed. It's just stubbornly stuck there because no one pays attention in the public sector anymore. So if you are all of these things here will increase the need for protein. But if you were sedentary and you were young, so in other words, you didn't do anything, you weren't active or anything else, you would be in what we call protein balance. You would be in nitrogen balance. You wouldn't have nitrogen loss. If you have nitrogen losses greater than your intake, that's how we measure it. That just means you're losing protein somewhere in your body. But what they did is they would just give people just enough to where they didn't lose the identical amount of protein going into the body and the identical amount of protein going out of the body. So it was a nitrogen balance. That's all. So that would prevent a deficiency in a sedentary, very young person with good high hormone levels. Mm-hmm. Because, I'll give an example, a 14-year-old kid can take 10 grams of protein. I would need 40 grams of protein to do the exact same thing in my body at my age. It's 72. Think about that for a minute. That's how good hormones, how much they help utilize protein that much better. Mm-hmm. So that's how it's all based on that. So obviously it's just a joke.